Nanindigan ng White House na hindi aatras si U.S. President Joe Biden sa kanyang laban para mapanatili bilang presidente sa darating na 4 pang taon. Ito ay sa kabila ng mga usap-usapang naghahanap na ng maaaring ipalit na kandidato sa kanya ang Democratic Party matapos ang kontrobersyal na debate ni Donald Trump noong nakaraang linggo. Rosel Feria para sa report.
Sa arawang briefing ni White House Press Secretary Karine Jean-Pierre, paulit-ulit nitong pinanindigan na hindi aatras si Pangulong Joe Biden sa kampanya nito na manatiling pinuno ng Estados Unidos sa darating pang 4 na taon.
Hi. Is President Biden considering stepping down?
Absolutely not. And you heard, I believe, directly from the campaign as well. The president is moving forward. He's moving forward as being president. He's moving forward with his campaign, as his campaign has been very, very clear about that. That's what I can speak to, and that's what I can say. And that is the president's focus. The president's focus is how does he continue to do that work? And anything else that we're hearing or that's being reported is absolutely false.
Binanggit ni Jean-Pierre na nitong mga nakaraang araw, tuloy-tuloy ang pakikipag-ugnayan ni Biden sa mga leader ng mga organisasyon, mga gobernador, mga pinuno ng mga sektor ng lipunan at mga taga-suporta niya. Ito ay matapos ang sinasabing mahinang performance ng Pangulo sa kanyang pakikipagdebate laban kay Donald Trump ilang buwan bago ang presidential election sa Nobyembre. Samantala, ipinagtanggol ni Jean-Pierre ang kahinaan ng katawan ni Biden noong araw ng debate. Anya, ito ay maiuugnay sa pagkakaroon nito ng sipon, gayon din sa pagod nito sa pagbiyahe.
He talked about, he owned that the debate was not his best night, and he said himself, it's not an excuse, but it's an explanation. I was standing here yesterday, and many people were asking why and what's the explanation, and that's what you heard from him. Look, the two, I think, in addition to the 2 major trips, he was also continued to do his presidential duties. He worked late in doing that, and he also prepared for the debate. And on top of that, there was obviously the jet lag, as you just asked about, and also he had a cold. And you all heard directly, you heard from him during the debate. He had a hoarse voice. Many of you reached out to me and my team and some other members of the White House asking what was going on. We confirmed that he had a cold.
Subalit sa kabila ng lahat, binigyang diin ni Jean-Pierre na ang focus ni Biden hanggang ngayon ay patuloy na ipaglaban ang mga tao ng Amerika, ang pagpapabuti ng ekonomiya at pagdaragdag pa ng mga trabaho sa bansa. Rosel Feria para sa Mata ng Agila International, Trusted, Connected, On Point.